Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video, we will see question number 3 and question number 4 of class 6 of exercise 11.5. Its question number 3 is pick out the solution. What we have to pick? We have to pick solution from the values which is given in the bracket. Okay, from the bracket we have to pick the solution next to each equation. Show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. So firstly we have the equation. After equation we have bracket which is showing some values of the variable, and we have to identify the solution of the equation, and we have to also show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. You can simply see in the bracket we have first value is 10 and the variable is m. In the equation the variable is m, so we will put m values. We will put m values one by one from bracket. If first one, if m is equal to 10, m value is 10. On that time you can simply see the equation is 5m is equal to 60, and on the place of m what we will put? 10, because we are searching the result for the 10, and this 10 will multiply by 5. 5 tens are 50, and on the right hand side we have 60 which is not equal to the 50. So m is equal to 10 is not the solution. No, this is not the solution. The second value which is given in the bracket is 5. If m is equal to 5, same as previous, we will put in the equation the m value. Okay, equation is here. On the place of m what we will put? 5, and none of the symbol in between 5 and m, it means multiplication symbol is here. 5 5s are 25, and 25 is not equal to the right side of the 60. It means this is not also the solution of the equation. Now the third value is 12. If m is equal to 12, we will search for it. The equation is 5m is equal to 60. On the place of m we will put 12, and 12 will multiply by 5. 5 12s are 60, and this 60 is exactly equal to the right side of the equation. It means our LHS is equal to RHS. It means m is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. Yes, this is the solution of the equation. Yes, m is equal to 12 is solution of equation. Now the last value that we have to check is, this is the first part, this is second part, and this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. In the fourth part, if m is equal to 15, okay, now the equation is 5m is equal to 60. In the equation, on the place of m we will put 15, and 15 5s are is 75. 75 is not equal to the 60. It means this is not the solution. Okay. Now the B part of the question number 3 is, if the equation is n plus 12 is equal to 20, we have to find out the values, the solution of the equation from the bracket. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions. We have to check which solution is satisfying the equation. Here we have 12, 8, 20 and 0. This 12, 8, 20 and 0 will put on the place of variable, and variable is n. So first case, if n is equal to 12, okay, equation is n plus 12 is equal to 20. On the place of n we will put 12, Okay, 12 plus 12 is 24, which is not equal to 20. It means this is not the solution of the equation. Now its second one is if n is equal to 8. Then in the equation we will put equation is n plus 12 is equal to 20. On the place of n we will put 8 and 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 is exactly equal the right side value. It means yes, this is the solution of the equation. Okay. Now the third value, if n is equal to 20. For it we will check. The equation is n plus 12 which is equal to 20. On the place of n we will put 20. 20 plus 12 which will give us 32. And 32 is not equal to the right side of 20. So this is not the solution of the equation. And the last one, which is telling us on the place of variable what we have to put? 0. If in the equation n plus 12 is equal to 20, on the place of n if we are putting 0, so 0 plus 12 is simply 12, which is not equal to the right side of the 20. It means this is also not the solution of the equation. Now the C part is p minus 5 is equal to 5, which is the equation, and from the bracket we have to search its solution. Bracket is saying first value is of the variable which is p is 0. Then in the equation p minus 5 is equal to 5. On the place of p we will put 0. 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 which is minus 5. And minus 5 is not equal to the right of positive 5. So this is not the solution of the equation. The second value is 10. It means if p is equal to 10, let's check it. The equation is p minus 5 is equal to 5. On the place of p, we will put 10. So 10 minus 5 is exactly 5, which is equal the right side of 5. It means yes, this is the solution of the equation. Then third value of the variable which is 5. Equation is p minus 5 is equal to 5. On the place of p we will put simply 5. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 0 is not equal to the 5 of the right side. It means this is not the solution of the equation. Now the last, for when we have p value is minus 5. So as previous, in the equation we will put on the place of p minus 5. Minus 5, minus 5. Minus minus is plus. 5 plus 5 is 10 with negative symbol. Negative 10 is not equal to positive 5. It means no, this is not the solution of the equation. As same, we will do the remaining question. Its D1 is here. You can simply see D is here. The equation is q by 2 is equal to 7, and in the bracket we have 7, 2, 10 and 14. Okay, simply firstly we will put 7. So 7 will divide by 2, which will give us 3.5, which is not equal to right side of 7. It means no, this is not the solution. If we have q is equal to 2, on that time 2 divided by 2, which will give us 1. So 1 is not equal to 2. It means this also not the solution of the equation. Third one is if q value is 10. So according to equation, on the place of q we will write 10, and when 10 will divide by 2, it will give us 5. So 5 is not equal to 7. It means this is not the solution of the equation. Now the last one is when q is equal to 14 and when 14 will divide by 2, it will give us 7. This 7 is exactly equal to the right side of 7. It means yes, this is the solution of the equation. Like this, E part we will see. Here it is. Equation is r minus 4 is equal to 0 and inside the bracket we have value 4, minus 4, 8 and 0. When we are looking for the r value, the variable value, if 4, on that time on the place of r in the equation we will put 4. So here on the place of r, 4 is here. 4 minus 4 is 0, which is exactly equal to the right side. It means yes, this is the solution of the equation. Next case, if r is equal to minus 4, it means in the equation on the place of r, minus 4 is here. Minus minus is plus. It means 4 plus 4 is 8 with negative symbol because both are minus. And this negative 8 is not equal to 0. It means this is not the solution of the equation. Third case, when r is equal to 8. So on the place of r, we will put 8 in the equation. 8 minus 4 is 4 and 4 is not equal to 0, which means that this is not the solution of the equation. Now the last one is if r is equal to 0, it means in the equation on the place of r we will put 0. 0 minus 4 is minus 4, which is not equal to the right side of the 0. It means no, this is also not the solution of the equation. F part, x plus 4 is equal to 2. This is the equation. We have to search its solution from the bracket. And in the bracket we have the values which is minus 2, 0, 2 and 4. The variable of the equation is x. So when x is equal to minus 2, in the equation on the place of x what we will put? Minus 2. Okay, minus plus is minus. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 4 is the greater symbol, so positive will be here. And this 2 is exactly equal to the right side of 2. It means yes, this is the solution of the equation. If r is equal to 0, on that time in the equation on the place of x we will put 0. 0 plus 4 is 4, which is not equal to the right side of 2, which is not the solution of the equation. Third case, if x is equal to 2, it means on the expression on the place of x we will put 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, which is not equal to the right of 2. It means this is not the solution of the equation. Last one, if x value is 4, on the place of x 4 is here. 4 plus 4 is 8, which is not equal to 2. So this is the not the solution of the equation. And here we completed our first question solution of each question. Question number 4, A part is complete the table. We have to complete this table, and by inspection, when we are completing the table, on that time by inspection of the table, find the solution to the equation. We have to find the solution of this equation. Okay, here in the table the first line is showing the value of m and second line is showing the value of m plus 10. Okay, we have to find m plus 10. If m is equal to 1, so 1 plus 10 is 11. Okay, it means here 11. If m is equal to 2, it means on the place of m 2 is here. 2 plus 10 is 12. It means here 12. Then if m is equal to 3, so 3 plus 10 is 13. So here 13 will come. So directly we can do 4 plus 10 is 14, 5 plus 10 is 15, 6 plus 10 is 16, 7 plus 10 is 17, 8 plus 10 is 18, 9 plus 10 is 19, 10 plus 10 is 20. We can go upside. If here we have more number like 11, 12, 13. So 11 plus 10 is 21, 12 plus 10 is 22, 13 plus 10 is 23. So here we completed our table. But one thing is also remaining. We have to find the solution for this equation when m plus 10 is 16. Okay, in which part we got the value m plus 10 is 16. Here we got. Okay, it means when we put on the place of m 6, 6 plus 10, which is exactly equal to the 16, and this 16 is equal to right of the 16. So m value is 6. Okay, so this is the solution of the given equation. The B part of question number 4 is complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution of the equation 5t is equal to 35. Same as A part, we have to fulfill the table. The first row is showing the t and second row is showing 5t. 5t means in between 5 and t we have multiplication symbol. When the t value is 3, it means on the place of t we will write 3 and it will multiply by 5. So 5 3s are 15. Okay. Second case, if t value is 4, so this 4 will multiply by 5 and 5 4s are 20. Same, if t value is 5, it means this 5 will multiply by 5. So 5 5s are 25. If t value is next one, which is 6, so this 6 will multiply by 5. 5 6 are 30. You can simply see each t value is multiplying by 5. So we can directly do 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50, 11 5s are 55. If we write more number for the t, 11, after 11 12, 13, 14, so 12 5s are 60, 13 5s are 65, 14 5s are 70. And one more thing is remaining, we have to find the solution for 5t is equal to 35. Okay, in which case the 5t value is 35? Here in this case 5t value is 35 when our t value is 7. It means on the place of t we will write 7 and this 7 will multiply by 5 and 5 7s are 35, which is exactly equal the right side of 35. It means here the t value is 7, which is the solution of the equation. C part is complete the table and find the solution of the equation z by 3 is equal to 4 using the table. You can simply see in the table the first line is showing the value of z and the second line is showing the value of z by 3. You can simply see the whatever the value of z, it will divide by 3. It means z by 3. Okay, when z by 3 the value is 8 on that, when z value is 8 on that time z by 3 value is 2 by 3, which is the max fraction. When z is equal to 9 on that time its answer is 3. When z is equal to 10 on that time the z by 3 answer is 3 1 by 3. Now we have to start with 11. When on the place of 11, z we will put 11, it means that we have to divide this 11 by 3. Simply you can see 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. So upper value will go as it is, and 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Then 12 by 3, because the next value is 12. When 12 will divide by 3, so it will give us 4, because in the table of 3, 12 comes 4 times. Then the next value is 13. So this 13 will divide by 3. So exactly same in the case of 11 we did, same we will do here. 3 4s are 12, so 4 is here. Then 13 minus 12 is 1. So its answer is 4 1 by 3. So here we will write 4 1 by 3. Okay. Now the next is 14 by 3. So same as the previous, when you divide it, you will get its answer 4 2 by 3. In the proper manner, when you divide, you will get 4 2 by 3. The next case for the 15, when 15 will divide by 3, what you will get? 5. The next case is 16. When you divide 16 by 3, you will get 5 1 by 3. Okay. When 14 answer is 4 2 by 3. 15 answer is 5. 16 answer is 5 1 by 3. Here when we write more number 17 in 18, 17 answer is 5 2 by 3, and 18 comes in the table of 3 6 times. Okay, so here we completed the table, and we have to find out when z by 3 is equal to 4, its solution. So when the z by 3 value is 4 here, so here is the solution of the equation that we have to find. Z by 3, when it gain as a 4, when z value is 12, when we will put the z value is 12, and when 12 will divide by 3, it will give us 4, which is exactly equal the right side of the 4. It means the z value is 12, which is the solution of the equation. The last part of the question number 4 is complete the table and find the solution of the equation m minus 7 is equal to 3. The first row is showing the value of m, and second row is showing the value of m minus 7. So in each case, what we have to take? We have to take the value of m minus 7. Okay. Firstly, when m is equal to 5, so 5 minus 7. Plus minus is minus. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 7 is the greater number, so its symbol will come here. So here minus 2. When m value is 6, so 6 minus 7 is plus minus is minus. So 7 minus 6 is 1. And 7 is the greater number, so its symbol will come here. So here m minus 7 value is minus 1. Now when m value is 7, so 7 minus 7 is 0. So here 0. Then 8 minus 7 is 1. So here 1. Then 9 minus 7 is 2. So here value is 2. Same we will do. 10 minus 7 is 3. 11 minus 7 is 4. 12 minus 7 is 5. 13 minus 7 is 6. If we write more number in the m row, 14 minus 7 is 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. So you can see here we completed the table, and we have to find the value of the equation m minus 7 is equal to 3. So in which case the m minus 7 answer is 3. So here is the answer of m minus 7 is 3. In which case when the m value is 10. In which case, when the m value is 10, so 10 minus 7 is 3, which is exactly equal the right side of 3. It means the solution of the equation is m value is 10. So here we completed question number 4 of exercise 11.5.